Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I want you to understand your target audience's interests and pain points. This is knowing what your people that are looking for you that you don't know they're looking for you because you haven't identified what the average customer, your consistent persona that's going to shop with you is, so it doesn't work. Okay, so understanding your target audience, I've got a list in the Google Documents that's associated with this episode, and if you take a look through that, it's going to go into defining your target audience, of course, and then there's a number of other things, 9 in total, are topics to identify, recognize, and then maybe use artificial intelligence to find out how you want to create a buyer persona, for instance, or do a competitor analysis. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.